Good morning, Warhawks, or good afternoon if you're in one of my afternoon classes. Um, so today you've got a full day, lots of things to do. You should have picked up the notes at the door when you walked in, and you should have picked up that bell worksheet, and you should be working on that now, unless you're already completed it. And the sub will be collecting that today, and that will be for a grade. So make sure you get that done and get that turned in. I expect to have a good report. I know you guys can do it, and I don't expect to have any big problems or anything like that. But please know that I've asked the sub to leave me a note and on each class period and give me specifics on names if there's anybody that's causing any problems. So I'm sure we'll all be very respectful and um, everything will be just fine. So today you're going to watch two videos. First video is kind of the early battles and early events of the American Revolution, and you need to pay close attention. I give you some essential questions in that you need to pay attention to and think about because those will probably show up on the quiz that you're going to take after that. After you've done the first video, which they're going to play, which your sub is going to play on this big screen, you're all going to watch it together. Then you'll take the quiz. You can refer to your notes as you take the quiz, so you can use those on the quiz. Uh, you will take the quiz in Schoology, and so you should, if you followed the bell work and did what it said, you are not logged into the computer yet. You're gonna, after you watch this video on the early in the American Revolution, then you will go ahead and log into the computer, log into Schoology, and take the quiz. Then when you're done with that quiz, you will close the laptop, and when everybody's done, you'll close the laptops, and the sub will then play the second video. Um, During the playing of those videos, your laptops will be shut, um, and so that you can focus on that and focus on the notes, writing any notes down that you need to write down, and paying close attention to the video. When the video is done, the second video is done, then you will open up the laptops. If you have to log back in, and then take the second quiz. The first quiz is early in the American Revolution. The second quiz is struggle in the Middle States. You should see those in your Schoology page. So I don't expect to have any problems there. Those are for a grade. I call them a quiz, but they're not a quiz grade. They're just regular daily grades. So make sure you're doing what you're supposed to do. Have a good day today. I am on campus, so if there were to be lots of issues, the sub can locate me and I'll be having a conversation with you. And you don't want to have a conversation with me when you don't need to. So I'll be back in class tomorrow. We will continue on with the American Revolution, and we'll be having a test next week, probably on Thursday. Is what I'm thinking right now is when the test will be, and so we're getting close to the end of it. We've got a few more things to do, a few more battles and issues like that, and get back into the Declaration of Independence just a little bit more, and then we'll be ready to take the test over the war on the American Revolution. So do what you're supposed to do today, Warhawks, and I'll see you tomorrow.